Maintaining and troubleshooting the electronic chart display and information system, or ECDIS, is crucial for safe navigation at sea. As mariners, we rely heavily on this technology, so understanding how to keep it in top shape is essential. First, let's talk about regular maintenance. Just like any piece of equipment on board, ECDIS requires routine checks. This means inspecting the hardware for any signs of wear and tear, ensuring that connections are secure, and cleaning the display to prevent glare and visibility issues. A clean screen is not just about aesthetics, it's about safety. You want to ensure that you can read the charts clearly, especially in challenging conditions. Next, troubleshooting common issues is a skill every mariner should master. One frequent problem is loss of position accuracy. If you notice that your vessel's position is drifting or not aligning with the chart, check the GPS connections first. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose cable or a faulty antenna. If the issue persists, dive into the software settings. Make sure that the correct datum is selected and that the system is calibrated properly. Software updates are another critical aspect of ECDIS maintenance. Manufacturers regularly release updates to improve functionality and security. Ignoring these updates can leave your system vulnerable to bugs or even cyber threats. Set a schedule for checking updates and make sure to install them promptly. Remember, a well-updated system is a reliable system. Error detection is key to troubleshooting. ECDIS systems often have built-in diagnostics that can alert you to potential problems. Familiarize yourself with these alerts and understand what they mean. If you receive an error message, don't just dismiss it. Investigate the cause and resolve it before it escalates into a bigger issue. Annual servicing is another vital component of ECDIS maintenance. This is where a professional technician comes in to conduct a thorough checkup. They'll assess the hardware, update the software, and ensure that everything is functioning as it should. Think of it as a health check for your navigation system. It's worth the investment to ensure reliability when you're out at sea. Finally, verifying accuracy is paramount. Regularly cross-check your ECDIS data with paper charts and other navigational aids. This redundancy is essential for safe navigation. If there's a discrepancy, investigate immediately. It's better to catch an error early than to find yourself in a precarious situation later. In summary, maintaining and troubleshooting your ECDIS is not just about keeping the system running, it's about ensuring the safety of your vessel and crew. Regular maintenance, troubleshooting skills, timely software updates, error detection, annual servicing, and accuracy verification are all part of a comprehensive approach to ECDIS management. By staying proactive, you can navigate confidently, knowing your ECDIS is reliable and ready for whatever the sea throws your way.